In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp, the project management tool that helps teams collaborate and get organized. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right into it. First things first, what is ClickUp? This platform is designed to streamline project management through powerful tools that enhance teamwork, whether you're working on a solo project or collaborating with a large group. So let's get you started. To set up ClickUp, first, you'll need to navigate to their website. Hold on a second while I guide you through the exact steps. Open your preferred web browser, and in the search bar, type ClickUp or go directly to their official site. You should see the words, ClickUp Project Management for Teams, free forever. Click on that link to take you to the homepage. Once you're on ClickUp's main page, look for a button that says Get Started. It's free. You're going to want to click on that because it's the start of your ClickUp journey. After you click that button, you have a few options to continue your setup. The simplest way is to sign up using your Google account. Just click on Continue with Google. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to select which Google account you'd like to use. If you prefer, you can also sign up using your email and password instead. Either method works, so choose the one you feel more comfortable with. Now that you've signed up or logged in, you'll want to set up your workspace. ClickUp allows you to customize your workspace to suit your needs. You'll see options to create different spaces, which are effectively different areas for various projects or teams within your organization. You can name this anything you like, perhaps marketing team or product development. Once you've created your workspace, it's time to add tasks. Think of tasks as little pieces of work that need to be completed. You can break each project down into smaller, manageable parts. For this, click on the Tasks option from the sidebar menu. You'll typically see a Plus New Task button. Click on that. Here, you can enter the task name, due date, assign it to team members, and even add priority levels. This can help you ensure that everyone knows what they should be working on and when it needs to be done. After adding a few tasks, you might want to explore ClickUp's various views. One of the great features is that you can switch between List View, Board View, or Calendar View. This way, you can visualize your tasks in the manner that makes the most sense for your team. If your team thrives on seeing tasks in a Kanban style, use the board view. On the other hand, if timelines are more important for your project, the calendar view might be the best choice. As you continue to use ClickUp, don't forget to take advantage of other features. Explore the automation tools to reduce repetitive tasks. Use comments to collaborate on individual tasks, and file attachments for relevant documents. Lastly, take some time to look through ClickUp settings to adjust notifications, themes, and integrations with other tools you may already use, like Google Drive, Slack, or Zoom. This allows ClickUp to fit seamlessly into your team's existing workflow. And that's a wrap on setting up ClickUp. I've given you a comprehensive introduction, but feel free to explore all the capabilities that ClickUp offers as you grow more comfortable with it. I hope this video helps you get started on your project management journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.